If you need to remove a card from your Zip account, follow these simple steps to do it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Zip app. Launch the Zip app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your payment methods. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once in the app, look for the menu or settings icon. Tap on it and then select payment methods or cards from the options available. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the payment methods section, you will see a list of your saved cards. Find the card you wish to remove and tap on it to view more details. Step 4. Remove the card. After selecting the card, look for the option to remove or delete the card. Tap on this option and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Verify removal. Once you have removed the card, check the payment methods section again to ensure that the card no longer appears in your list. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment options within the Zip app. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zip's customer support for further assistance.